This video is going to cover properties of logarithms used to condense and expand expressions. This will be numbers 7, 8, and 9 on your review. So the original problem on number 7 says condense 2 log base 2 of 5 plus 2 log base 2 of 3. And on your review, some of you have it printed where this number here is a 4. We're going to do it so it's a 2 so we don't have to do any change of base. So pay attention to that. First thing we're going to do is take the 2 and we are going to make it an exponent because anything in front is an exponent. And we're just going to add log base 2 of 3. So this would be log base 2 of 25 plus log base 2 of 3. And since this is addition, we're going to multiply the big numbers together. So that would be, final answer will be log base 2 of 75 because 25 times 3 is 75. So on number 8, we're asked to expand this, and it's all log base 5. So we're going to check out which operations is happening within the log, and it's all multiplication. So when we expand it, it's going to be addition. So we'll have log base 5 of 2 plus log base 5 of x to the third, but we're going to have to fix this one because we can't have exponents there. And we'll have log base 5 of y to the 7th, and we'll have to fix that one too because we can't have exponents in either one of these two spots. So our final answer, we're going to change that exponent and move it out front. So log base 5 of 2 isn't going to change. This exponent is going to come right here, so we'll have 3 log base 5 of x plus 7 log base 5 of y. And that would be our final answer for the expansion of that logarithm. Alright, so the question like this on the test is actually multiple choice. So you're going to have to figure out which one of them would make a true statement. So we're going to write this various different ways. So just properties of logarithms. We can do log base 3 of 8 plus log base 3 of 2. And because 8 times 2 is 16, that would give us what we need. So there's one example. We could also do log base 3 of 32 minus log base 3 of 2. And that would also give us log base 3 of 16 because 32 divided by 2 is 16. Just to talk about doing this with exponents, it could also be 2 log base 3 of 4, because 2 log base 3 of 4, we could rewrite that as log base 3 of 16, because the 2 becomes the exponent on the 4, and 4 squared is 16. So there's 3 different ways. I'm going to come up with a couple more for you. So I've written 2 more. First one is log base 3 of 64 minus log base 3 of 8 plus log base 3 of 2. So 64 divided by 8 is 8. And we need 16, so we'd have to multiply by 2 to get the 16. It's this number right here, that 16 that we need. The second one, I did log base 3 of 32 minus log base 3 of 4. Since we're subtracting, we would divide. 32 divided by 4 gives us 8. And we need it to be 16. So in order to get that 16, we would need to multiply by 2. So we're going to add log base 3 of 2.